Hello friends, on this video I will show you how to take shortcut screenshot on Realme mobile phone without clicking from here. You can take shortcut screenshot. First of all, you have to go on setting. Then first of all you have to click on search. You have to search accessibility. Then you can find here accessibility menu. Click on accessibility menu, then click here accessibility menu. Then first of all you have to turn on. Click on allow, then click on got it. Then you can find here accessibility menu. Then you can see here screenshot. Click here screenshot. You can see here it will be screenshot shortcut like this. Then if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.